Hi guys! So today we're going to make a very simple breakfast item, cream scones. So they look like this. This is a small batch recipe. You can make it in the evening and just bake it in the morning. It's great for breakfast, it's great for tea time, and you can have it as bread for like dinner or lunch to go with salads or soup. So I hope you guys will stay until the end. Watch the video. For now, let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, so it's time for us to try our cream scones. Let's give this a try. Let's try this one. Wow. It's so soft and flaky. Look at that. So you can spread some strawberry jam on top or any kind of jam that you like. Let's try this. It's so flaky. It's so buttery. Let's try some butter. Well, they're so good. It's so flaky and so tender. It's so buttery. So, I hope you guys will give this a try. And until next time, bye!